Jai Srimanarayana. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, 21st sloka. Now Arjuna asking Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "O Krishna, take my chariot and station my chariot in between both armies." Having all this meaning running in our thoughts, while thinking that we are sitting in the shoes of Arjuna in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma and Sri Krishna Paramatma giving us Gitopadesham, let us now chant this sloka. Hrishikesam tada vakyam idamaha mahipate senayoho उभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापय मे अच्युत। The moral from this sloka which we have to be practicing: keep on carrying out all your activities to preserve dharma and for the sake of the community. Then whatever you ask, Sakshat Paramatma will be definitely doing that. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, 66th and 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja." Do not cry. Ma suchaha. I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Keep spreading my Bhagavad Gita to all the devotees. If you do like that, you will become my best devotee. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimanarayana, I shall keep on carrying out all my activities to preserve Sanatana Dharma and to support community. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimanarayana, I shall keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita to all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava." Srimad Bhagavatam. Let us do namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimanarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Vyasa Maharshi, Saraswati Devi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi telling Saunaka and all other rishis about the conversation between Narada Maharshi and Vyasa Maharshi. Narada Maharshi is disclosing his previous life to Vyasa Maharshi and also saying that, O Vyasa, when all those great saintly people gave me all the sacred jnanam, with that teachings, I could realize Vasudeva, I could realize Paramatma. O Vyasa, we all have to be always doing all our activities as a service of Paramatma. That is only the best means to get rid of all kind of grief. O Vyasa, do you know one thing? If we eat something, if that causes any kind of illness, again, if the same thing is eaten in a very proper way, in a medicinal way, the same thing again will suppress that, will remove that disease. So also, whatever the karma, whatever the activities that we are doing, those karma, those activities are the cause for all of us to be in the clutches of this birth and death forever, right? So, can we stop doing activities? No, we cannot. Then what to do? We have to be doing activities as a service of Paramatma. Then the same action, same activities which were transformed as Paramatma service, we are going to remove all of us from the clutches of this birth and death. That is how we should be doing. And every action before we do, anything before we do, Vyasa, remember this. We have to check if this action is going to bring, if this work is going to bring any happiness to Paramatma or not. We have to check that before we start doing anything. That is how we have to make sure kriyate karma bhagavat paritoshanam. All our activities should be bringing some kind of happiness to Paramatma. That is how we should be leading our life. Not only that, Vyasa, grunanti gunanamani krishnasya anusmaranti cha. We have to be keep on chanting, keep on remembering Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine qualities, divine attributes, divine names. That always should be running in our mind. Vasudeva, Sankarshana, Pradyumna, Aniruddha, Srimannarayana. For everything we have to be saying like this. Not only that, while all our actions are transformed as service to Paramatma, in addition to that, while chanting Paramatma's Namam, on top of that, we have to be visualizing, picturizing such a beautiful form of Paramatma. O Vyasa, we also have to be always saying Om, Om in a proper way, so that this brings us a realization of that we all belong to Paramatma. And Paramatma is the cause for this entire universe. And Paramatma is only the protector. This kind of realization will be coming to us only by chanting Om. O Vyasa, this is how I have started doing according to our saintly people teachings. Then Paramatma blessed us with a wonderful devotion towards Him, and now I am able to see Paramatma, I am able to perceive Paramatma's presence everywhere. O Vyasa, now this is your duty. Your duty is to bring all the Paramatma's divine qualities to one place and help each and every common man to understand that and read that and chant those names and appreciate Paramatma's divine Kalyana Gunas. If you can do this for the humanity, then definitely all the grief of each and everyone will be removed. That is only the means. Klesha niryanam usanti nanyadha. There is no other go, there is no other option, there is no other means, there is no other way. Vyasa, you please bless the entire humanity with such a wonderful scripture. Like this, Narada Maharshi inspired, encouraged Vyasa Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 21st sloka. Hrishikesam tadavakyam idamaha mahipate senayoho ubhayor madhye रथं स्थापय मे अच्युत. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.